And no spilling any food or beverages
Nope.
here. Justin
I was able to get it all out here.
had to fight to get through the door with everything, but he made it in here, no spills, so we've got some good stuff to taste here today.
Yeah, and Trevor Frnak from NTC, he gave us a good recipe for stuffed peppers. It's one of those things they grow there. It was a really good segment. You might want to watch the video online again if you missed it earlier about how they have so many programs for helping people learn how to turn gardening into a career in farming.
There was so much that we talked with him about that we just couldn't fit into the show,
Yeah,
but
that's right.
there's all kinds of good stuff going on there. So yeah, you're going to want to check that out. And
Speaking of good stuff,
does
it smell good?
It smells very good. We've got some stuffed peppers here, and we're going to be looking at those here. You can get a nice good look at those there, and they're smelling really good here. I've got myself the deconstructed version here, as you can see here, because I'm not a fan of green peppers myself, but I do like everything that's inside of it.
It's a different spin. The green peppers, stuffed green peppers, usually you put rice or something like that in there, but this is a Southwest style that Trevor had a recipe for. It's got ground turkey and corn, black beans, diced tomatoes, some onions. What do you think?
And it's delicious. Yeah, basically just a nice, if you like tacos, you're going to like this, basically.
Yeah, it has some taco seasoning and some cumin in there. And one of these is almost a whole meal by themselves, depending. Now, he would suggest using, the sweet colored peppers. All I had were green peppers. Thankfully, the deer did not eat them. They almost did. They almost got these peppers.
Just the deer don't like the green peppers, I guess. There you go. So, but that's good to know. And very good here. Yeah, got that recipe online. Check out the video, and we will have more coming back right after the break.